The crumble is a British classic, so I'm going to take some seasonal apples and pears and put them into a dessert calzone. This dish is one to remember and guaranteed to warm the hearts of anyone you cook it for.
To start, slice up some seasonal British apples and pears. Finely dice them into 1 centimetre cubes. Place your butter into a skillet or a hot pan, then add in your fruit. Stir until the apples and pears have been completely coated in the melted butter. Get some cinnamon in there and mix well. Add your dark brown sugar, and this is where it all comes together and makes an incredible caramelised sauce. Cook this over a medium heat until the fruit is soft to touch, then set aside to cool. For the crumble crumb, add your porridge oats to your pan, along with the mixed nuts and honey. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon, then give it all a good stir. For the salted caramel, bring your sugar to the boil over a medium to high heat. Once it turns a light golden brown, add in your double cream and stir quickly until fully combined. Remove from the heat, then add your butter and a pinch of sea salt. This is my go-to salted caramel recipe, perfect for a warming dessert. To make your calzone, roll out your dough on a lightly floured work surface. Spoon a generous amount of your apple and pear mix into the centre of your dough. Top with a sprinkling of oat crumb and a spoonful of salted caramel. Fold one half of the dough over the other and then crimp the edges to seal in the delicious filling. Launch the calzone into your uni and cook for approximately 3 minutes, turning every 30 seconds until it's thoroughly cooked. This warming calzone goes perfectly with vanilla ice cream and of course more salted caramel.
When the evenings get dark and it's cold outside, there's nothing better than cooking up a warm, sweet treat for dessert. For this recipe and more, check out the Ooni website.